What makes this TeamLab different? Unlike the others, which are usually indoors, this one is completely outdoors and only comes to life at night. You're not just experiencing digital art, you're experiencing how it interacts with the real environment around you. It's immersive in a way that feels completely natural, yet futuristic at the same time. One of the coolest things here is how interactive everything is. You touch an object and the color shifts. A light ripples outward, affecting everything around it. It's like the entire garden is alive and responding to you. Even just walking through changes the experience. Paths that were dark suddenly light up with every step. The most breathtaking part is how the light doesn't just exist on the environment, it enhances it. The trees glow. The water reflects surreal colors. And even the air around you feels like it's shimmering. It's almost like seeing nature in an entirely new way, one that feels both otherworldly and deeply connected to the earth. Whether you're into art, photography, or just want to be completely mesmerized, TeamLab Botanical Garden is worth every second. Join us in future travels by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.